Learn to make this mini crayon balloon column. It is your balloon bestie, Karen Sawyer, with another easy tutorial. In this mini crayon balloon column, we will be using the 5-pack technique. So you will take a triplet and a duplet, and you combine the two, and you get the 5-pack. In this design, we are using all 5-inch balloons. So you will have 4 5-inch orange, 2 5-inch black, 3 that has 2 black and 3 orange inflated to 5 inches, and 1 5-pack that is inflated to 4.5 inches, 1 inflated to 4 inches, 1 inflated to 3.5 inches, and the last one is inflated to 3.5 or 3 inches. And then we're going to go ahead and take our flattened 260, or if you're using curling ribbon or monofilament, whatever you choose to use to string up your garland, you're going to go ahead and tie that in. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our water weight. Keep in mind you don't want this too large because then it will not sit flush against the floor or the table. So keep that in mind when you go ahead and create your water weight. Okay, now that that is tightly secured, we're going to go ahead and start with our layers. So we're going to go ahead and start with our first 5-pack of black. And then you'll go ahead and figure 8 that in. And then you're going to continue up your garland in the pattern that you see here. The next layer is all orange. The next one is 2 black and 3 orange, and so on and so forth. Up until this point, all of these have been inflated to 5 inches. Now the next row after this, we're going to change the size. So the sizes will begin to decrease. So on this layer, we have 5-inch inflated to 4.5 inches. The next layer will be inflated to 4 inches. And then the very tip will be 3.5 inches. And voila, there you have it, your mini balloon crayon. A view of the back. And here's a bonus, just for a little added whimsy. If you have a vinyl cutter, you can go ahead and cut out the word Crayola and attach it to a piece of black construction paper that you have cut out and created an elongated oval, and then take some double-sided tape, attach that black construction paper to the black side, the black design in the crayon, and go ahead and put your Crayola vinyl over top of that, and it just adds a little extra touch. It's so cute. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified as soon as a new tutorial is published.